is going on here?
You need to be careful.
Okay, don't worry. I'm super driver now.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Hey guys, how can we do to help our friend?
There is no way. Let's find some help.
Please relax. I'm going to help you. There is an accident. We need some help. Please just follow me.
This fire is very dangerous. Please stay away, guys.
Go, go, go! Okay, let's go.
Everyone stay away. We are here to help you.
Nice.
It's a time for bridge construction. You can go!
Okay, let's make some magic bridge. Okay, thank you guys.
Oh, hell no!
This is very dangerous road, so my kids relax and stop making noises.
Hey, what is going on?
This is wind, blowing with storms.
Please stop talking. You need to relax and wait for help.
Okay.
Hey, boss. There is very dangerous accident here. We can help them.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, what is going on here?
It's a magical bridge. You can go.
Hey, what is this?
Go, go, go! Okay, let's go.
Nice.
It's a very nice journey. What is this again?
Please do hurry. We need to finish early this mission. Don't worry, brother.
Oh no! Lava! Yay! Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You need to wait. I have an idea to help you.
It's a vengeance. Let's help them quickly.
Don't worry, let's go.
Bruh. Huh? Nice. Yeah, boy. Nice. Yeah, boy.
It's a time for bridge construction.
Huh?